First, your name and the position you secured, and how do you feel?
My name is Gaurav. I scored 468, 93%, first position. It was always hard. Obviously, it was very hard. It was a hard journey, but I took everything seriously, right from oral tests or whatever. Like even if a 5 marks test, I studied for it. I never kept my work to the side. It was always my first priority. So that's how I did it.
And now, what's next? What are you planning?
I'm planning to do law, LLB. So let's see where it goes if I can.
How do you find technology? Whether the technology helped in your studies?
To be honest, I never relied on technology. It was always my books, and I made notes myself. I never even for the books notes. I never hold on to that. I make my own. I write my own. I don't Google answers. I don't think it's even if it's a good way, but I don't trust it. I trust my own writing.
Hello everyone, I am Renang Mantrao Kapongol, and I got the first position in the HSSLC examinations from the art stream. My routine for the whole year is only one thing, I would say, it is consistency.
And how much time did you spend on social media?
To be frank, or to be honest, I would say, I do not have any social media account or even a mobile phone because I use my mom's one. So whatever messages which I get from the school or from my friends, I used to get it from my mother. Well, I have an aim in life, but currently I have to see with the various subjects which I have to take, like honors. So since I just got my results, I cannot say. I need to see what the different colleges will provide the different courses for me.
Congratulations on achievement.
Thank you so much. Very surprised, extremely grateful, and happy. I was just expecting to do well, but I didn't decide which rank or which position. But yes, this is beyond my expectations. I can say that. Just study, just give your best. That's it. After that, even if you get 60%, 75%, trust me, you'll be the happiest because you know you've given your best. So that is all that matters, and enjoy life. I mean, you are not a teenager again and again. So
I'm feeling very happy and I'm very grateful to Almighty God for having blessed me with this good result. And I'm very grateful to Don Bosco Junior College and all the fathers and my beloved teachers and my friends who have really created an atmosphere for me to do my studies well. Just I want to say, study regularly every day and keep working every day and never give up. And always be happy whenever you do your studies. Don't pressurize yourself. That's all I want to say.
Mengucap siang ublai pada Rida Semarang tinggal duk dan Kren duk hak kamjuk le budi ngai cai nang duk ni klimat ya ket komersial ya mem semua ya duk kat ni tangwa siang kemen kam tele dia dia sah manang krekat dan ibe full concentration hala tok ichi kinta leni arta CV le abhai no hikai mana petagi kamjuk le yegi kamong yegi praktikal yegi tes gi mut yile untuk nek soal duk di tes aduk gi exam score kamte cuma depo gi
orang tu bawa tahu yo 84%. Ambil komen ada kata-kata betul 84 emang. Teman yo kalau la umayong tao kenang ang English mo ka top 10 te nang stang mo do auto ba to rating skit ang boy wada expect wala ki yung te ang ngoy ham top na mo to boy em rujo auto mo em ki perlot ang ang em na sing Dominic wo English teman dapat yo to skit ingat te wa kwa au ang mo to to de waro hab kre Tora hakakat hab krei hab imandai kiwi curricular activities te yo man broad di kejaban yang te bai sai bila hab crutch tom kam jo nang tene ha asam dia da ong to hard work pays off te hab kitch tom yo ye wa rang wa ang no te bai sai bila klam melin wa habok ko in kong try yo blai lada man kan mo yo blai te ye hi ru le pha
แต่กำกับ favorite Bible quote yang na ka jingioh Paulus jingioh Kristen Filipi ang kelenang usod kat kale ang ko ngala ik baro ha utaw basyan bo nga